Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Secret Niches. Let's go! Secret Niches.
Secret niche number 1.
For the first niche of this week, we have this phrase. We assaulted 200 of competition, but it's trending like hot potatoes. A little more competition than what I like, but I think it's trending very good, so can be your next bestseller. This is the phrase, this dance thing escalated quickly. I don't know, I'm not sure where this is from, but I think it's safe. Look at the BSR. 2 salted, 3 salted, 300 salted, 600 salted, etc. They were all uploaded April 12th, basically April, and many are selling. Okay, there's a lot of competition. It's not so easy to have success, but if you have a good design, perhaps you can get here in the top 5. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 2.
For the second niche, I have this phrase that is for test day that has 700 results. The phrase is, today you will glow when you show what you know. Okay? It's for teachers, test days, students, school. Look at the BSR. 132,000, 257. 435. For example, this was uploaded 2 weeks ago, like 2 weeks ago. Okay, and they all have good BSR, very shiny design with lots of, I don't know, colorful graphics. Okay, make your way and use your weapons and try to create your next bestseller. Okay, secret niches.
Secret niche number 3.
For the third niche, I got this very low competition one with 100 results. That is a variation of the raccoon in the field, but the text now is literally just a Bleacher creature. I think this text is a inside joke for baseball, but I'm not sure. Okay, anyway, it's safe. BSR is good, but I think this is gonna start trending more. Okay, here's with the Barbie doll. I would not recommend using this. Okay, as always, you can use the raccoon, capybara, all the trendy animals. Okay, the frog, the goose, etc. Okay, give it a try. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 4.
For the fourth niche, I got this 429 results niche. That is this phrase. I think it is also for test day. Look at this. You rush through your test. You gotta be careful. I would not upload this phrase with that Barbie doll. Okay? I know it's trending a lot, but I think it's a gray area and it's kind of risky. Though the doll is not identical to a Barbie, it's very similar. But you can use the raccoon, the possum, you know the game. Okay, look at the BSR of this. 37,000. The next one, where was it? Here, 560,000. You see, they made it with a different doll. But I think it's risky. Just use the goose or the raccoon. Okay, it's a very new trend, so use your weapons. Secret niches.
Secret niche number 5.
For the fifth niche, I have this cat niche that I found with a very good BSR and very low competition, 221. The phrase is, here for the cats, humans are weird. Okay, with the alien taking away the cats. Okay, there's many ways you can do this. or different art styles, etc. This is more simple, okay? It's black and white, okay? Use your weapons and find the best style, okay? And I have an extra bonus niche for you, that is this one with assaulted 200 results. It's not solo competition, but I think it's a very interesting niche to enter. That is there is no motion at your front door. Okay, it's like a camera, security camera of the house, but with different names. Okay, look at BSR: 99 assaulted, 225, 298, and they all use a different meme. Okay, here's this guy, the baby. That is a meme that was trending. Look, here they put both. Okay, you can try to use safe things. Perhaps you can use here's the Cinco de Mayo stuff. Okay, is like with a thief cut. Okay, there are many ways you can try this. In fact, I'm gonna try it myself. Okay, here's with the wolf, with lots of cats. You can put here lots of raccoons, lots of Frenchies. Okay, you know the game. Hope you like this new video, and see you in the next one. Secret niches.